Audible Kung Fu.
So, basically, itong game na to ay naka-landscape mode. So, dapat yung pahiga yung ating cellphone. Tapos, right swipe tayo.
This is a landscape event. Confirm button.
So, confirm lang natin to kung may mga permissions na i-grant lang natin. So,
Audible Kung Fu. The guide game screen. Confirm button. Audible Kung Fu. After selecting a button, confirm button.
So, kaya maraming steps ito. Nandito yung mga instructions kung paano magna-navigate sa game. Kasi yung mga menus niya nasa upper left, lower left, meron sa upper right. Tapos sa lower right, pagkakaalam ko yung task o yung kung mag-auto-navigate tayo, for example, sa game. Pati yung kung paano tayo mag-move around sa game. So, next
After selecting a button and confirm button. Audible Kung Fu.
So, magla-login na
English
tayo.
button. Account number. Nina.Vadina@gmail. Account number. Nina.Vadina@gmail.com. Quick switch to account password.
Oh, by the way, pareho dito kung naglalaro kayo ng mga games ni Prudence ng Audible Games. Pwede nyo lang i-provide yung email ad nyo, tapos obtain verification code, tapos check nyo na lang sa email nyo yung code at i-input nyo dito para makalagin. Pero since nakalagin naman na ako, so
account number. Switch to account number.
switch ko na lang yan.
Success. Login
Nice.
Audible Kung Fu.
Login successful.
The game has a built-in screen.
At dahil meron siyang built-in screen reader, ayan, kung hindi kayo kung naka-talkback kayo or Jisho yung gamit nyo, kailangan nyo i-suspend. Pero since si Prudence naman ay same developer, yung PSR, so automatically mag-suspend na siya. So double tap ko lang to.
The game has a built-in screen. Audible Kung Fu.
At hihintayin lang natin siya. Ayan, may grinding sound.
Audible game.
Ayan, audible game. So, wait natin
Chivalry United
siya.
Online double tap to modify.
Ayan, ang bilis in fairness. Kasi usually daw pag upon installation nito, medyo matagal siya maglo-load. Antayin nyo lang mga at least 5 minutes para ma-download nyo yung mga resources niya. Pero ito na siya.
Start game.
So, right swipe muna tayo. Tingnan muna natin kung anong meron bago tayo mag-start game.
Current version v0.1.1.1. Announcement. Age suitability description.
May announcement, accessibility description.
Chivalry United Online double tap to modify.
Kung napansin nyo guys, medyo mabilis. Mabilis siya magbasa. So, pero ma-adjust natin yan sa loob ng game eh. Hindi ko lang ma-recall kung saang level na basta naging available na yung main menu niya. Pwede na natin i-adjust yung TTS speed niyan.
Start game. Current
Start,
version
sige,
v0.1.
start
Start game.
game tayo.
Young hero, please select your gender. Current gender, male.
So, pipili tayo ng gender. Siyempre,
Current gender, female.
dito ako sa female. At magbibuild tayo ng character.
回想起那一年，你和众人历经磨
Hintayin
难
lang
逃
natin
出
yung
阿列城，
narration,
最终
opening
和平
narration
剿
niya.
灭黑。
First entering the martial world, what kind of self-defense would you choose? Swipe right to view option A.
So, pili tayo kung anong klase raw self-defense. Pipiliin natin.
Option A, with a sword. One strike shines cold across 19 provinces. Double tap to select swipe right to
ayan.
view option B.
May description naman siya kung ano yung advantage tsaka disadvantage. Kung may sword ba.
Option B, hidden weapons. Distance is the best weapon. Double tap to select swipe right to view option C.
Ano
Option
yung B?
A, option B, hidden weapons. Distance is
Hidden
the best weapon.
weapons.
Option C, using poison. A gentleman does
Using
not stand by a
poison.
crumbling wall.
So,
Double
kayo
tap
na
to select.
mamimili niyan.
Option C, using poison. A
Kung
gentleman
anong
does not stand
gusto
by a
nyo.
crumbling wall. Double first entering the martial world. What kind of self-defense would
Ayan.
you? Option A, with a sword. One strike shines cold across 19 provinces.
So,
Double
kayo
tap to
na lang
select
ang
swipe right to view option
pipili
B.
kung alin dito ang gusto nyo. Ako dito ako sa
Option B,
hidden.
hidden weapons. Distance is the best weapon. Upon discovering the enemy camp, you would choose. Swipe right to view option A.
So,
Option A, I came. Upon discovering the enemy camp, you would choose. Swipe right to view option A.
ito, yung mga options. Nagdo-double tap lang ako. Bali, right swipe lang tayo or left swipe para makita natin yung mga choices. Tapos, double tap to select. So, ano ba?
Option A, I came. I saw. I conquered. Double tap to select swipe right to view option B.
So, pili
Option B,
tayo.
observe strategy, advance gradually. Double tap to select, swipe right to option C, disguise yourself and infiltrate the enemy camp. Double tap to select. Option B, observe strategy, advance gradually. Double tap to select, swipe. Your beloved is poisoned, difficult to cure. What will you do? Swipe right to view option A.
So, basically, may mga questions lang dito. Tapos, pipili lang kayo ng answers. Ayan. So, ako mamimili muna.
Option A, spare nothing to cure their poison. Double tap to select, swipe. Option B, avenge them. Double tap to select, swipe right. Option C, accompany them for the rest of their time. Double tap to select. What kind of token of love would you wish to receive? Swipe right to view option A. Option A, 1,000 paper cranes. Double tap to option B, gold and silver jewelry. Double tap to option C, doesn't matter, love is unimportant. Double tap to select. Option A, 1,000 paper cranes. Double tap to select, swipe right to view option B.
Ito, hindi ko alam na pipiliin ko.
Option B, gold and silver jewelry. Double tap to select, swipe right to view option C.
Ito talaga ko.
If you could choose only one companion to roam the martial world, who would you choose? Swipe right to view option A, someone who can make decisions for me. Double tap to select option B, someone who will listen to my decisions. Double tap option C, none shall come, I walk alone. Double tap to select. Option B, someone who will listen to my decisions. Double tap to select, swipe right to view option C. Option C, none shall come, I walk alone. Double tap to select. In a dire situation, trapped in danger, swipe right to view option A. Option A, fight to the death without retreat. For one final breath. Option B, fight while retreating, waiting for the right moment. Option C, a true man bends and stretches, I surrender. Double tap to select. Option B, fight while retreating, waiting for the right moment. Double tap to select, swipe. Before retiring from the martial world, your last battle, what would you fight for? Swipe right to view option A. Option A, fight for the people of the world. Double tap to select. Option B, fight for a life and death friendship. Double tap to select, swipe right to view option C. Option C, once I say retire, I shall fight no more. Double tap to select. Option B, option A, fight for the people of the world. Living among common folk, if you could learn one craft, which would you choose? Swipe right to view option A. Option A, choose a skill you like. Double tap to select, swipe right to view option. Option B, choose a skill that earns money. Double tap to option C, doesn't matter, anything will do. Double tap to option B. Option A, choose a skill you like. Double tap to early spring, you and Susu decided to return to Longguang village. One day, you unearthed a chest of ancient scroll fragments. You obtained 5 great inner skill scrolls. Midsummer, you planted flowers and grasses in front of your home. Small animals often came to play, and your carefree days enhanced your charm. Late autumn, you received a letter from Xiang Yue, Shi, Ji Fei Yan, and Xiao Ke are preparing to rebuild Qianji sect. You replied joyfully, wishing them swift success. Midwinter, you and Susu chatted indoors, eating warm chestnuts and doing girls' talk. Beginning of spring, you bought many firecrackers, gave them to every household in the village, and played percussion together. Summer solstice, you received Ji Fei Yan's letter, Qianji sect has been rebuilt. As Xiang Yue, now the sect leader, is exhausted, Ji Fei Yan wrote on her behalf, enclosing a sect token. You replied, telling them to take care. Early autumn, a lively young woman named Xiao Lala visited the village. After tasting your osmanthus pudding, she exclaimed it was divine. Your charm increased. Midwinter, you received a letter from Xiao'er, saying Xuanbao city has been unsettled lately, with people inquiring about Qianji sect. You wrote to Xiang Yue, who replied reassuringly, all is well. Spring equinox, Xiao Lala often came to ask you for food, and each time she left completely satisfied. Beginning of summer, this time, you received many letters, but none from Qianji Gate. You find it a bit odd. Early autumn, Xiaobao secretly ate all your candied hawthorns. Deep winter, a letter came from Xiang Yue, Qianji sect is too busy, and you shouldn't visit anymore without reason. A faint tear stain marked the page. Early spring, your cooking became famous across the region. Many urged you to open a tavern. Early summer, before parting, Xiao Lala mischievously picked all the plums from a neighbor's tree to make you one last bowl of sour plum soup. Your evil value slightly increased. Autumn equinox, you thought it over and felt Xiang Yue might be in trouble. You wrote again to ask if she needed help, but she didn't reply. When the winter jasmine blooms, the Taskians once pondered still have no answer after all these years. Yet you know you can no longer stand by. You decide to return to Qianji sect and seek the truth yourself. Double click now to set forth once more into the Zhenghu.
Ayan, so double tap ulit tayo.
It feels like only yesterday that Susu and I decided to return to Longguang village for a peaceful life, yet today I must leave it all behind.
仿佛还是在昨天，但今天我就要离开这里了。
Ayan, para makaproceed, double tap lang muna tayo.
Huh, why the rush? What is that smell?
怎么这么着急啊？
What's wrong?
怎么了？发生什么事儿了？
Nothing, nothing.
没事
I'll go to
没
the
事
storage room for，some
我
rice.
去仓库
You
拿
tidy
些
up
米
here.，
你收拾收拾这里。这对话好熟悉，我和素素也有过这样的情景。
The top master ate.
啊
All right.
好，
Parang nadirin yung translation. Sige. Ano tayo?
Man,
老
must it be so
天
like?
啊！
I've stumbled and
要
fallen
不
again.
要这么相似啊？我竟然又摔倒了。
Hearing the noise, Susu rushed back. You sat on the damp ground, clutching your head. Are you all right?
没事
How
吧
could you still be so careless?
怎么那么
After
不
all these
小
years,
心
you
啊
are still so clumsy.
这么多年了，还是这么毛手毛脚的。
It's nothing, just a little dizzy.
没什么事，就是脑袋有点懵。
Come, walk with
来
me.
来，
Let's see if
往前
anything's
走
hurt.
两步，看看摔坏了没。
Wait a minute. What's
等
going
等
on? Are we reliving memories?
这是干什么？还
Please hold your phone horizontally. The left half of the screen is the movement joystick. Slide upward with your left hand and hold, and the character will move forward continuously.
So, ito na. Ito na yung navigation natin. So, sa left side ng screen, nandito yung parang joystick natin. And then, sa right side, siya yung pang-enter natin. Doon tayo magdo-double tap sa right side. Pero sabi niya, so, ano ba yung sabi? Ulitin natin. Ay, sige. I-long press ko lang siya sa left side, tapos i-drag ko lang siya pa.
Please hold your phone horizontally. The left half of the screen is the movement joystick. Slide upward with your left hand and hold, and the character will move forward continuously.
So, isa-slide up ko lang daw. Naka-landscape yung phone ko I-slide up natin siya. I-double tap muna. Okay. So, slide up.
Well done.
Yun. Okay na. Tapos, what's next?
Thank goodness. At least your
还
head
好
is
还
broken.
好，至少脑子没摔坏。
Double tap ulit.
Don't mock me. All
别
right.
嘲笑我了，好吧？
Come.
来来，
Now try walking
再往
left.
左走走看。
I'm fine.
我没
Susu.
事儿的，素素。
Please hold your phone horizontally. The left half of the screen is the movement joystick. Slide left with your left hand and hold, and the character will keep moving left.
Okay, so double tap muna natin siya. Pakaliwa daw, para pumunta siya sa left.
Well done.
Ayun. Ayos. Double tap ulit.
哎
Hey,
呀
that's not bad. Let's
走
give
的
you
不
some
错
praise.
啊，鼓励一下。接
Next,
下
try
来
walking to the
往
right.
右走走看。
Kaliwa. Parang pinaikot-ikot yata tayo ng character na to. Sige, double tap.
I told you I'm
都
fine,
说
yet you
了
still
没
don't
事
believe
儿
me.
了，你还不信？
Use your left hand to slide right and hold, and the character will keep moving right.
So, slide natin. Ay, di. Double tap pala muna. Tapos, saka natin sundin yung
Well done.
Yun. So, napansin nyo, mayroong ting! Pag gumana siya, ibig sabihin, nandun ka na sa spot na pinapupuntahan niya sa'yo. So, double tap
You
tayo.
are truly amazing.
你真
You
的
walk
很
better than
棒
I do.
哦，走的比我都好。
Okay, double tap.
It's not you who
又
fell.
没摔的。
All right, take a
好
few steps back now.
最后
Really the
往
last
后走
time.
走看，真的是最后一次了。
Okay, pababa naman na.
Fine,
好
fine.
吧，好
I'll
吧
do as you say.，
就听你。
Slide downward with your left hand and hold, and the character will keep moving backward.
Okay. Teka, hindi yata pababa.
Well done.
Yun. Okay. Double tap.
Excellent.
好
After my，diagnosis,
经我
it seems
诊
that
断
fall has，made you
你摔
smarter.
了一下，变聪明了。什
What
么乱
nonsense.
七八
Yet
糟
somehow,
的！
I found myself
我
going
也
along with
下
your
意
little
识
trip down
配
memory
合
lane.
请你玩回忆杀了。
Enough fooling
知
around
道
with steam
了
buns already.
馒头好
We
了
must deliver them
咱们
quickly,
一会
or
儿
we'll
给
be
你
late.
送馒头
These
去，
past years have been
不
so joyful,
然
but
要
now
来
that you
不
are
及
leaving,
了。
I truly fear we're left
这
in
几
apart.
年过得好快乐。
Okay.
但 Don't worry,
好
I'll write to you
啦
often.，
我会
Now,
经常
where are
给
the
你
buns?
写信的。馒头
哎呀
在哪？
Right there,
不
on
就
the
在
stove
你身
beside
边的
you.
火炉
Step
上？
closer and you'll be
你
able to
靠
take
近
them.
一些就能拿到它了。
Okay. Sinusundan ko na lang yung English translation kaya minsan hindi ko na pinapatapos pagsalita yung NPC. So, double tap tayo.
Follow the audio cues. Swipe right with your left finger and hold to locate the stove. Approach and double tap the right screen to interact. Nearby sound-emitting objects or characters can be investigated by double tapping for unexpected discoveries.
Okay. So, sinasabi lang niya yung directional. Sabi kasi din, mas maganda nga kung lalaroin to na naka-headset. Pero since hindi naman ako mahilig mag-headset, mag-auto navigate na lang tayo later on. So, sundin muna natin
Rewards
sinasabi
obtain
niya.
silver. Quantity 1,000. Character XP. Quantity 35.
Mhm.
Current task. Task pick up the steam bun. Objective press and hold the screen with your left finger and move it around to locate the stove. When you hear a prompt sound, it means you found it. Double tap the screen to interact with the stove. Progress 0 first.
Okay.